Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use coupon code on Aliexpress. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Aliexpress, click the register option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, the primary reason to use coupon codes is to receive discounts on your purchases. Coupon codes can offer percentage off the total price or a fixed amount discount, helping you save money. Now, for you to be able to know how many coupons or how can you use the coupon codes, you can get to the option right here on your dashboard and click on My Coupons if you have already. All right. Now, all you're gonna do is get the click on the button here, get coupon codes. What will happen is you would be forwarded on this specific page because AliExpress runs promotional campaigns where coupon codes are offered as part of the promotion. Now you can take advantage of these codes, can result in significant savings during sales, events, or holidays. Now, for example, I'm gonna collect as much as codes right here. The three. What about this one for the snapback? Let me collect that now. Alright, so I'm gonna go to this specific store and I'm gonna use that coupon code. Right now, for example, I'm gonna click this specific items. I'm gonna buy or click the buy now option. And of course, hopefully from here, you can use the coupon code. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is click on the enter code here. All right. And then the code will be given to you once you have copied the code from the earlier options. All right. For example, now this is this specific code or a coupon code. All you have to do is copy that and then switch over to the checkout process. Once you're here, all you have to do is enter the code right here and click on apply. Actually, we have a separate video on how to use coins on AliExpress to get discounts on your purchases, so you might want to check that as well on our channel. And after that, as you can see, you have the max discounts and the coupon codes plus the coins if you wanted right here. You can use your coins as well to get maximum discounts and to save money, right, on your purchases. After that, all you have to do is click on place order, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.